Hi guys, we're going to jump into day 2 of our main idea lesson. We started this on Tuesday. Let's just review really quick. Remember, the main idea is that most important point that the author is trying to make. We're going to sum up the text in one sentence. I want you to make it a complete sentence and in your own words. Remember, okay? Most of the times you can find the main idea in the first sentence or the last sentence, but sometimes you are going to have to come up with it just from the text or in your own words, okay? Please remember, main idea is not theme. It is not going to be the theme of the story. The theme of the story is the lesson of the text, while the main idea is what the text is about, okay? All right, let's go ahead and practice, okay? What do you think about what the main idea of this text is? It is estimated that over 20 million pounds of candy corn are sold in the U.S. each year. Brock's, a top manufacturer, sells enough candy corn to circle the earth 4.25 times if each piece were laid end on end. That's a lot of candy corn, but that's nothing compared to the production of Tootsie Rolls. Over 64 million Tootsie Rolls are produced every day, but even Tootsie Rolls have got nothing on the candy industry's staple product, chocolate. Confectioners manufacture over 20 billion pounds of chocolate in the United States each year. Now that's a mouthful. So think about what is the main idea that the author is trying to tell you? A lot of candy is produced each year. It can be that simple, guys. See how it is a complete sentence? It really sums up what's happening in the text. All right, I'm going to read this one to you. I want you guys to think about what the main idea is. There are many types of lethal venom in the animal kingdom, but perhaps no stranger carrier than the platypus. The platypus is one of few venomous mammals. Male platypus carry a venom cocktail in their ankle spurs. This venom incapacitates victims with excruciating pain. Stranger still, the platypus is the only mammal that uses electroreception. That means that the platypus uses its bill to sense the electricity produced by the muscular movements of its prey. Electroreception is a sixth sense different from seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, or feeling. Perhaps most odd, the platypus is the only mammal that lays eggs rather than giving birth to live young. What an odd creature indeed. Okay, look at the first one. There are many types of lethal venom in the animal kingdom, but perhaps no stranger than the platypus. Okay, that's a maybe. What an odd creature indeed. The platypus is a very unique creature, okay? You could say something like that. You could say how it's dangerous, all right? But one short sentence summing up this text. All right. Today we're also going to look at some details, okay? Remember, details are just statements that explain or prove the author's point, okay? So we're going to have the main idea, which is our big, broad, most important point, while the details support that point, okay? So the other day we looked at this text. What can you do at the beach? You can go swimming, diving, or even build your dream house using sand. If you don't like any of those activities, you can play volleyball with your friends. Another good thing to do on the beach is to lie down in the sand and sunbathe. You will get a nice tan. So, okay, if our main idea are there are many fun activities for you to do at the beach, your details are going to be things like swimming. Oops, sorry. You know, this always takes me a minute. Swim, sunbathe. Oh, goodness. It's hard to write with this. Sand castles, okay? I should put build sand castles. Do we see how we're taking our main idea and we're actually giving details about what fun activities we can do at the beach? That is what you are going to do, okay? All right. So we're going to go ahead and get on our buzz and complete your show it for today. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. Don't forget, I do go over answers in my live Zoom classes, or you can get on my office hours, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. So again, get on and do your buzz. I do go over the answers for our buzz in my live Zoom sessions. If you have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email.